Look how beautiful these oleanders are. They're toxic to animals, their leaves, if ingested, but they're not really a bad tree to have around. They grow without much water, they're drought tolerant, just gotta give them good drainage. You can see right here on the hillside, it's actually holding in with its roots a bit of the erosion. Gives beautiful flowers, attract tons of pollinators to your garden. In most places in California, it's a native, so it's actually real happy here. Grows with our climate, minimal care. This guy here, we planted as a 15 gal. Doesn't even have irrigation, just the extra that's around on the hillside, going to other plants that isn't taken up. This guy drinks up and he's very happy. Provides shade to this little patio area. You can have them as trees, you can have them as hedges, bushes, ornamental bushes, privacy hedges. Very, very versatile plant. I love oleanders, even though people give them a bad rap. I'm actually trying to plant some of these on my farm because jackrabbits, this might be something that is toxic to them. It can serve as a good privacy hedge. And as long as I keep my dog away from it, it should be alright, for it being a hedge. So then it provides great wind breaks. So over there where we get 40-mile-per-hour winds in the night a lot, this could help a lot. And I see it over there growing by itself. So, if you want a cool plant around your garden, maybe give the oleander a try. Check out some of the flowers up close. You can see it kind of goes in this swirl. I love it. What is that? A counterclockwise? No. Clockwise swirl. Pretty cool. I love it. And the flowers, they don't smell so much, but they do smell a little bit. Pretty nice. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that oleander. That's the out view. Have a good one.